All right, my friends, this is the Cuisinart Belgian Waffle Iron. As you can see, this thing has been well loved. We've had it for a few years. It's gone through many Sunday morning waffle making adventures. There's a couple of things about this waffle iron that I wish I would have known before I bought it. So I want to talk about those things, and that's why I'm doing this video. First off, I'm going to go through some of the features. First, cord length is always a thing for me. I always want to know how much cord do I have based on my kitchen, what plugs am I going to be able to plug it into, or where am I going to need to use this thing. So this can give you a good idea. It's about a little more than an arm's length of cord there for you on this waffle iron. Next is, the other thing I loved about it is the simplicity of the dial. It's just one dial, and there's an off position, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 1 through 6. And there's a heating LED, and then there's a ready LED. So as soon as this thing's ready, pop on green, and you can pour your batter in. Now, obviously I've got these other things here. This thing is pretty diverse, and you can use it in a couple of different ways. So what's cool about this thing is you just have this button here on the side. If you can see that, you just push that, and it releases the actual Belgian iron. This thing's a little bit dirty, so forgive me. And you can see the inside, the heating elements of the iron there. And this is because it comes with what they call a pancake plate. We haven't put a lot of use to the pancake plate, but it is fun every once in a while. The kids like to make pancakes in it. There's a couple of little notches here on each of the irons. And what you do is there's slots there. You just slide that in, and then you press down. Really, really easy to switch out. So the same thing with the top of the iron. You push this button, open it up, take that one out. Take the non-circular iron here, because that's going to cook the top of the pancake. You slide it into the slots there and just pop it on. So now you went from Belgian waffle to pancake iron, and you can close and shut that thing. And it's really, really simple. So what we love to do is get this thing warmed up, start cooking a little bacon. Oh, by the way, these are offset. So these notches are different than these notches, and that tells you which one is top and which one is bottom. Doesn't matter as much with the waffle irons, but it does obviously with the pancake plates. So I'm going to take those off, and I want to show you how easy this is to switch out. Just pop that baby on. Same thing here. Give it a little butter or a little spray of Pam to ensure the non-stick. Pour the batter in and close it, and then just wait for the ready light to turn on. We've loved this thing. It's brought a lot of joy to our family, and it's one of our favorite things to bust out on a Sunday morning. So hope you enjoyed as much as we have.